Hello and welcome to our video on cryptocurrency trading. Today, we're going to discuss the basics of trading cryptocurrencies and provide you with some expert tips to help you get started. Firstly, it's important to understand what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate independently of central banks and are decentralized. Now, let's talk about the different types of cryptocurrency exchanges. There are centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges are owned and operated by a company, and they act as a middleman between buyers and sellers. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, are peer-to-peer platforms that allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another. One benefit of using a decentralized exchange is that you have more control over your funds. Because decentralized exchanges don't hold on to your assets, you don't have to worry about them being hacked or stolen. Additionally, decentralized exchanges often have lower fees than centralized exchanges. To trade cryptocurrencies on a decentralized exchange, you'll need to set up a digital wallet that's compatible with the exchange. You'll also need to know the public address of the wallet you want to receive your cryptocurrency in. Once you've set up your wallet and have your public address, you can start trading. To trade cryptocurrencies on a decentralized exchange, you'll need to place an order on the platform. You can either place a market order, which executes immediately at the current market price, or a limit order, which lets you set the price at which you want to buy or sell. When trading cryptocurrencies on a decentralized exchange, it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Bonus point: when trading cryptocurrencies on a decentralized exchange, it's important to keep your private key secure. Your private key is what allows you to access your wallet and transfer funds, so it's crucial that you keep it safe. You can store your private key offline or in a hardware wallet to ensure maximum security. And there you have it. That's our guide to trading cryptocurrencies on decentralized exchanges. We hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to let us know in the comments if you have any questions or additional tips to share.